Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to find reviews for products using Google. It's a simple skill that can help you make better purchasing decisions. So let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Google, and then type in the name of the product you're interested in. For example, if you're looking for reviews on a smartphone, you can just type in its name, and then after typing the product name, add the word reviews right after it. This will help Google narrow down your search to a specific reviews about the product. Now look at the search results that show up. You'll find websites, blogs, and even videos where people share their experiences with the product. These reviews will give you insights into the pros, cons, and overall quality of the product. Remember, it's important to check reviews from different sources. This gives you a balanced perspective. So, look for reviews from reputable websites, online marketplaces, and even social media platforms. And that's it. You now know how to easily find reviews for products using Google. Whether you're buying gadgets, appliances, or anything else, this simple technique can help you make informed choices. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to find reviews for products using Google. See you on my next video.